Hey friends, if you wish to prevent users from changing the screensaver in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to this key, H key, current user, software, Microsoft Windows, current version and policies. And then we have a key called system. Okay, so I'll copy this for you. Right click on policies. Select new key and name it system. In the right pane, we will create a Devo 32-bit entry named no DISP SCR SAV page. So it says don't allow the person to change this page. Right click new Devo 32-bit entry and I named it. Double click on it and change the value to 1. 1 means you're activating this policy. 0 means that it was deactivated. So we'll change it to 1 and hit enter. Restart your computer and users will not be able to change the screensaver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.